In Earth's long history, life has showcased remarkable diversity and adaptation. Preceding the dinosaurs, lesser-known creatures engaged in fierce survival battles. The Paleozoic era birthed bizarre organisms with unimaginable body forms. However, this era abruptly concluded with a cataclysmic extinction event, leading to the rise of dinosaurs in the Mesozoic era. The Mesozoic era witnessed the dominance of dinosaurs, finely tuned to their surroundings with unique hunting techniques and senses. Lasting 160 million years, they appeared invincible until their sudden demise. The Triassic period, initiating the Mesozoic era, faced environmental upheavals between two mass extinctions. Despite the challenges, this period was crucial in shaping Earth's future. The Permian-Triassic extinction, 252 million years ago, wiped out a significant portion of life, yet paved the way for dinosaur emergence. Adaptive radiation, spurred by decreased biodiversity, led to evolutionary explosions. As ecosystems diversified, species filled vacant niches, driving rapid evolution. Classic examples like cichlid fish in African lakes showcase this phenomenon. Early dinosaurs were small and bipedal, evolving into diverse forms over time. The Triassic period witnessed the emergence of various groups, including archosaurs, from which dinosaurs originated. Although often synonymous, not all archosaurs were dinosaurs. Dinosaurs diversified into herbivorous, carnivorous, and omnivorous forms, filling various ecological roles. Herbivorous sauropods and stegosaurs thrived, shaping ecosystems through seed dispersal and predation. Carnivorous theropods like Tyrannosaurus rex dominated as apex predators, while omnivorous species adapted to versatile diets. Omnivorous dinosaurs, like some theropods and ornithischians, balanced plant and animal consumption, aiding survival in changing environments. In summary, the Triassic period witnessed the dawn of dinosaurs, marking the beginning of their evolutionary journey and their eventual dominance across land, air, and water. During the Triassic and early Jurassic periods, dinosaurs adapted to various lifestyles to survive in a changing world. Some species, like the Ankylosaurus and certain Silosauridae, burrowed underground, utilizing their armored bodies and strong legs for protection and digging. Tree-dwelling dinosaurs, such as the Drepanosaurus and Scansoriopter rigidae, evolved to climb and forage in trees, developing unique skeletal features for this purpose. In aquatic environments, dinosaurs like ichthyosaurs and sauropterygians thrived, equipped with streamlined bodies for swimming and hunting. Plesiosaurs, with their long necks and paddle-like limbs, were efficient predators in marine ecosystems. Semi-aquatic species like the Nothosaurus navigated shallow waters, using their flexible bodies and webbed limbs for hunting and locomotion. The Triassic-Jurassic extinction, marking the transition between periods, reshaped Earth's ecosystems. It resulted from various factors, including continental drift and volcanic activity, leading to widespread extinction but also opening new ecological niches for surviving species, including dinosaurs. The Jurassic period saw the rise of sauropods like Apatosaurus and Diplodocus, towering herbivores with long necks and whip-like tails. Meanwhile, theropods like Allosaurus dominated as fearsome carnivores, showcasing the intricate balance of life in the ancient world. Ceratosaurus, a prominent member of the Ceratosauria family, was recognized for its distinctive horn-like structure on its snout, varying in size and shape among species. These carnivorous dinosaurs had robust skulls with large, sharp teeth and lived in diverse habitats worldwide, from forests to deserts. From agile hunters like Ceratosaurus and Proceratosaurus, to later, larger species like Carnotaurus and Apellosaurus, Ceratosauria exhibited a range of adaptations and body types, all sharing a common origin. In contrast to the fearsome theropods, Stegosaurus emerged as a peaceful herbivore with unique bony plates and spines for defense against predators. Hesperosaurus, a remarkable Stegosaurus genus, boasted large plates and spikes, protecting it from threats while foraging on low-lying vegetation. Kentrosaurus, another member of the Stegosaurus group, featured spiked armor along its back and distinctive skull adaptations for processing tough plant material, contributing to its survival in the Jurassic landscape. Meanwhile, ornithopods, such as Camptosaurus and Dryosaurus, thrived as diverse bipedal herbivores, characterized by agile bodies and specialized feeding adaptations. Camptosaurus, with its beak-like snout and powerful claws, roamed in groups, consuming vegetation in lush Jurassic forests. Dryosaurus, adapted to arid habitats, featured long legs and lightweight bodies for speed and agility, supplemented by feather coverings for temperature regulation. As the Jurassic period progressed, the skies welcomed the majestic pterosaurs, including Dimorphodon and Rhamphorhynchus. Dimorphodon, a small predator, possessed long jaws and sharp teeth for catching prey, while Rhamphorhynchus, with its unique beak and diamond-shaped skin flap, specialized in gliding and soaring to hunt fish and insects. These diverse pterosaurs, ranging from small and agile to large and imposing, dominated the ancient skies, contributing to the Mesozoic ecosystem's richness and complexity. Rhamphorhynchus, known for its long, slender body and small, light skull, maneuvered deftly in the air, aided by its long tail for stability and control. With many complete skeletons found in Europe and Africa, Rhamphorhynchus is renowned for its well-preserved fossil records, offering crucial insights into the evolution of flying creatures and ancient airborne reptiles. While some dinosaur species vanished during the transition from the Jurassic to the Cretaceous period, mass extinction didn't occur. Competition with emerging species likely contributed to certain extinctions, as changing landscapes favored new reptiles, mammals, and dinosaurs, forcing existing populations to compete for resources. The rise of primitive flowering trees altered food sources, impacting dinosaur populations, leading to extinction for some and evolution for others, setting the stage for the Cretaceous period. During the Cretaceous, dinosaur evolution surged, with iconic species like Tyrannosaurus rex, Triceratops, and Ankylosaurus dominating the landscape. The T-Rex, known for its massive jaws and powerful bite, engaged in a fierce battle for survival, while Triceratops, with its formidable horns and frill, stood its ground against predators. Ankylosaurus, armored and armed with a club-shaped tail, defended itself effectively, showcasing unique adaptations for survival. In Laurasia, Archaeopteryx, an early bird, hunted insects among ancient trees, representing a critical evolutionary link between birds and dinosaurs. Meanwhile, Leptoceratops and Sauronathoides engaged in a chase, illustrating the struggle for survival among herbivores and carnivores. Tarbosaurus, a formidable predator, ruled over Asia, while smaller herbivores like Psittacosaurus roamed the land, adapted to feeding on soft plants and evading predators with speed and agility. Throughout the Cretaceous period, dinosaurs evolved diverse adaptations to thrive in changing environments, shaping ecosystems across continents. From towering predators to agile herbivores, each species fought for dominance in the struggle for survival, ultimately influencing the course of life on Earth. With their sharp claws and clever hunting tactics, velociraptors were formidable opponents for any creature. Discovered in the early 20th century in the Gobi Desert of Mongolia, velociraptor fossils revealed feather impressions on their arms and tail, indicating their avian characteristics. Named for their speed and agility, velociraptors were about 6.5 feet long and weighed around 33 pounds, equipped with a large sickle-shaped claw on each foot. They were highly dexterous hunters, likely using their claws to catch and hold prey such as small dinosaurs and early mammals. Velociraptors were known for their intelligence, possessing relatively large brains relative to their body size. They likely hunted in packs, communicating and coordinating hunting strategies with each other. A notable fossil discovery, known as the fighting dinosaurs, found a velociraptor and protoceratops locked in battle in Mongolia. This fossil provided insights into the behavior and ecology of these dinosaurs, suggesting velociraptors were active hunters and opportunistic predators, while protoceratops could defend itself against them. Protoceratops, an herbivorous dinosaur with a beak-like snout and a distinctive skull frill, lived alongside velociraptors. Despite being smaller than some predators, Protoceratops could hold its own, showcasing its ability to defend against attacks. Moving to Africa, Spinosaurus, one of the largest carnivorous dinosaurs, hunted in the mangroves along rivers. Its massive size, up to 60 feet long and weighing up to 20 tons, along with its sail-like back and webbed feet, allowed it to swim and hunt in water. Its long jaws and sharp teeth were suited for capturing slippery prey like fish and amphibians. On the same continent, iguanodons grazed on vegetation, utilizing their spiked thumbs for defense against predators like Carcharodontosaurus. another formidable carnivore. With serrated teeth and reaching lengths of up to 39 feet, Carcharodontosaurus was a top predator of the Cretaceous in Africa. In South America, Giganotosaurus, potentially larger than Tyrannosaurus rex, dominated the landscape, along with Maposaurus, a social predator that hunted in groups. Fossil evidence supports the idea of diverse ecosystems and rich fauna in South America during the Cretaceous. Lastly, in Australia, Muttaburrasaurus and Leelanosaurus adapted to seasonal climates, with Muttaburrasaurus utilizing nasal passages to reduce water loss and Leelanosaurus possessing enlarged eyes and fur-like bristles for low-light conditions. Overall, the Cretaceous period was a time of great diversity, with dinosaurs ranging from massive predators to agile herbivores, shaping ecosystems across continents. However, this era also marked the end of the dinosaurs' reign, paving the way for the rise of mammals and other life forms after the catastrophic Cretaceous-Paleogene extinction event. Trillions of tons of dust and soot lifted into the atmosphere, shrouding the planet in darkness for years after the asteroid impact. The lack of sunlight devastated plant life, leading to mass extinction among herbivorous dinosaurs and ultimately affecting the entire food chain. The cooling effect caused by sulfur aerosols further exacerbated the crisis, although it lasted for only about 1 million years, geologically speaking. Large animals, including dinosaurs, struggled to find enough food, leading to their gradual extinction over time. Mammals, previously at the bottom of the food chain, began to fill the ecological niches left vacant by the dinosaurs' demise. However, it took approximately 15 million years for mammals to evolve and diversify, eventually becoming dominant on land. Birds, descendants of ancient dinosaurs, also survived the extinction event and gradually evolved over millions of years to fill various ecological roles. Their survival was aided by traits such as beaks, which allowed them to adapt to changing environments and food sources. Today, birds exhibit a wide range of adaptations and are the closest living relatives of dinosaurs. In the oceans, the extinction event created opportunities for ray-finned fish to thrive, eventually becoming the dominant aquatic vertebrates. Their success was attributed to their ability to adapt quickly to changing conditions and exploit new ecological niches. The extinction of certain species, such as ammonites, further contributed to the rise of ray-finned fish populations. On land, the decline of gymnosperms and ferns allowed flowering plants to dominate terrestrial ecosystems. This transition led to greater biodiversity and provided new food sources for animals, influencing the evolution of many species. The Cenozoic era witnessed the emergence of diverse mammalian species, including ancient relatives of modern-day animals like elephants, whales, and primates. Overall, the Cenozoic era marked a period of significant evolutionary change following the mass extinction event, highlighting the resilience and adaptability of life on Earth. Explore the fascinating saga of Earth's post-extinction recovery and the rise of new ecosystems by subscribing to stay updated on the incredible stories of evolution and adaptation.